What's up, guys? This is AP with LaytonSportsCards.com New York, ripping 2 boxes of Tier 1 baseball for Tom B. For a historically bad run, I'm going to pull him a case hit. Mostly because the odds are in my favor, and mostly because I feel something ridiculous. Good luck, Tom. Shin-Soo Choo, jersey relic. Yep, you have the acetate autograph. You've hit the acetate. Told you. Shin-Soo Choo to $2.99. After that, Peter Borges to $3.99. And your acetate autograph. Hold on. Is Bo Jackson to 99. Boom, boom, boom. Bo Jackson, acetate autograph to 99. 43 of 99. Sick hit there. Sick hit for Tom. Deserved that. Jesus. Magnetic worthy. And the next box. Want one more? Starting out with Cole Hamels to $2.99. Bat relic. Pitcher bat relic. Michael Wacha on-card autograph to $3.99. And the final hit, Matt Williams to $2.99. On-card autograph of Matt Williams. Old school love for the D-backs. Thanks, Tom. Nice Bo Jackson auto, man. You deserve that. Appreciate it. Put that right out to you.